Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ZONSUSE magnetic bottle opener. It's a wall bottle opener with catcher. And in this case, there are different magnetic bottle opener on the market by ZONSUSE. And in this case, it's a bottle opener with catcher, and the catcher is like a basketball basket, of course, as you can see. It looks really cool, and it works. Really, it works. We can have here a personalized wooden beer bottle opener here. It's a really cool beer gift for man, for the refrigerator, for home, for the bar, for the man cave, and as decoration with bottle cap. For those who like to collect the crown lids, it is a surprise to receive an intact crown lid with opening a bottle. Compared with ordinary beer bottle openers, this wall-mounted corkscrew not only features a ring-shaped opening to maximize the integrity of the cap, but also draws on the classic shape of the crown lid. The lid, undoubtedly giving a cap collectors a double surprise with that. It's really cool because a crown corn, or a crown cork, also a crown seal, or a crown cap, or just a cap. This is the first form of bottle cap. It was invented by William Painter in 1892 in Baltimore. The company making it was originally called the Bottle Seal Company, but it changed its name with the almost immediate success of the Crown Cork to the Crown Cork and Seal Company. It still informally goes by that name, but it is official the Crown Holdings. Okay, the Crown Cork was the first highly successfully disposable product. This inspired King C. Gillette to invent the disposable razor when he was salesman for the Crown Cork Company. The firm still survived producing many forms of packaging. You see, it's a big history behind the Crown Corks, and we are still using it on most of the time on beer bottles, on beverage itself too. The wall-mounted bottle opener with magnetic adsorption adopts the principle of magnetic bonding, which can be directly absorbed to metals, such as refrigerators or household appliances, allowing us to use it as we like, with a high degree of freedom. After fixing, it can be used to open the bottle with only one hand. The bottle cap will be attracted to the bottle opener by the magnetic system, which is super convenient and practical. Here in case, it's a basket where you can find the crown bottle after this. The bottle cap magnetic bottle opener is composed of a zinc alloy bottle opener and a high-quality pine wood bottom plate. The metal bottle opener has a unique shape and a hard materials. It is not easy to rust in corrosion, and its thick pine wood bottom plate feels smooth, no irritating smell, not easy to deform. The natural wood grain makes each corkscrew, of course, unique. And if you like to attach it to a wall, but you can use screws for it. 2 screws. That means you drill 2 holes through the pine wood, and then you can attach it to the wall by using plugs and screws. That's possible too, because it's a nice material here. The classic bottle cap shape, comfortable touch, original wood color with magnetic host system on the back side, which you can attach it on metal plates where you like, and a nice basket or other on the market too. This makes this design both artistic and practical, This making this funny cowboy, that bottle opener, a great choice for a man and a cool gadget for a party accessories. Surprising beer for any party of the bar. Perfect man's Valentine's Day gift, birthday gift, and of course a beer gift. 2 or 3 installation methods are available. The soft rubber pad on the back of the magnetic bottle opener has a strong magnetism, and it can be directly adsorbed on the refrigerator door or a smooth metal surface. If we want to install it on other non-metal surfaces, we can stick the bottle opener with 2 double-sided tapes, which is very simple. And of course, the third way is if you're going to attach it by screws, you need screws and a drill. And of course, what do you need? More plugs for the installation. On the market, there are different bottle openers by ZONSUSE. We can have a black one. We can have a cowboy hat, or an eagle hat, on a no tray style, or a stone style. And a lot of more different magnetic bottle opener are on the market by ZONSUSE. This is really cool because your crown cork is not or only a little deformed after opened the bottle. ZONSUSE magnetic bottle opener. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.